doesn't look good. We'll see what happens. So far, the green, now it's yellow. False start. We'll see what the call is. Of course, the 88 and 95 were not together when they got to the white line. So they moved the 88 of Jordan Knight back for jumping the start and then shuffled down the 95 of Covington and brought the 2 of Gastineau to row number 1. So we'll try the start again. Covington now the pole sitter. So the penalty for jumping the start, you get docked back a row. That's what the call was on Jordan Knight. Top 4 finishers in this last heat race go to tonight's A main. Jordan Knight back into second right away. Now Gastineau turns underneath him. Got a spin at the back of the field. The 6G, and now he rolls to a stop. Yeah, we got a car at the top of 4. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Brian Gossel. The Colorado driver spun it around at the back of the pack. He was able to get it gathered up in the right direction, but bounced it off the cushion there and rolled to a stop. Bringing the orange cone out onto the raceway, so 1 lap in the books. Caution light off. Brandon Anderson now in second in the 55. Not a good start for Knight in the 88. Back to fourth. What a move for Emilio Hoover in the 29. Has that car locked on the bottom, and Hoover is in a transfer spot. From 9th to 4th, Emilio Hoover rolling the bottom as good as anybody so far tonight. Covington the leader, Brandon Anderson in second, Whit Gastineau is third, Hoover is fourth. But he's coming. Hoover's third at the line. He's staying down low. Oh, Gastineau bounces a cushion, bounces off the wall. He keeps the 2C going in fourth. Emilio Hoover's got second at the line in the 29. Brandon Anderson has fallen to third. Brady Baker's now in fourth. Gastineau falls to fifth. Gastineau trying to get back around Baker. He's got it. Oh, look at that race for the transfer spot. The 2 and the 71. Right up to the cushion they go. Gastineau's got fourth. Baker's fifth. Tanner Kahn is sixth. White flag will wave to Matt Covington. Emilio Hoover in the 29. Rolling the bottom. Now Brendan Anderson cuts him off. Here we go. Wheel to wheel. They get together and Hoover will spin. Yellow waves. We did not see the checkered. Caution is out. The checkered did not get displayed for the 95. We'll see if he made it to the scoring line or not, because remember, that's up closer than the flag. Did not. They're going to bring the orange cone out. Oh, my. The battle for second and third, Emilio Hoover and Brandon Anderson. Hoover gets spun around after that contact. He had raced from ninth and was trying for second on the last lap, and Brandon Anderson put the block on, and contact was made, and around goes the 29. The nose wing on Anderson's car is damaged, but he's holding his second spot. He was able to keep his car rolling, so he gets his spot back.
That nose wing down will affect his entry here in turn number one. We'll see if he enters low or high, and hopefully there's no drag on it either.
All right, coming out, it'll be a green-white checkered for Covington. Green and white together. One lap shootout, because everybody completed that white flag lap, so it's green and white together. Covington's got the lead, Anderson is second. The race for third and fourth and fifth is a monster of a race. Tanner Kahn is in the A. The 95, Matt Covington. The 55, Brandon Anderson. The 2